What's up, guys? This is Preston here today, and I'm going to review the SLiPLO universal skid plate. And it goes on the bottom of your car, protects people from backing in and out of garages or tight places where the front end may dip, or back end. You can do it for the back as well. Side skirts, however you want to protect it, but you have an investment, protect it, take care of it, especially for that resale value. But for you guys out there who are pulling into the garages or healed spaces, whichever word you want to use, this will protect that front end from scrape. It will put that rubber there, so it is not going to tear that front end up. Painting your front end is a costly expense, as you all know. If you don't, call and get a quote and you will see. So I purchased SLiPLO to keep myself from scraping, and this is my grade on my garage. As you can see, it is, well, I don't know if you can see, but look at the difference in my neighbors and mine. And that should show you kind of what kind of grade I'm working with here, as I had to back my beast up into the garage. Backing it up into the garage made me realize that I needed something to protect my front end. So then I ordered SLiPLO. I was searching online, found them. They had killer reviews, and I wanted to rave and give them another review after I put mine on. So follow along. Let's see what we got. Look at the beast. It's a piece of rubber that installs on your front end here, and what it does is protects your front end from scraping. And I ordered a product from them roughly a month ago, and when I ordered from them, it got lost in the mail. So I reached out to them and let them know that, hey guys, I ordered from y'all, but my product got lost in the mail. So letting them know that, the cool guys that they are, instantly, like same day, sent me my package out in the mail, another shipment to get the product to me. And since the customer service was so amazing, I thought it would only be right if I could let you guys see what I was installing on my car and just kind of the progress of me installing it. So right now I got alcohol on the ground. I have to clean the front end. My car has just been washed, so I'm gonna clean the front end of all grease, all adhesives, and what I'm gonna do then is put an adhesive bond onto my front end once I clean it, and that's gonna give me the ability to then put my universal skid plate on there, or my rubber bumpers onto my car, and let it stick. So it's gonna sit overnight, so I don't need to, pull it out or anything. I can't wash it for 72 hours once I do it. But if you guys are looking for a front end protection, I definitely would recommend SLiPLO. As the installation should take no more than an hour, and that's from like starting to reading the email that they send you about how to install it, to actually getting the product installed, to putting it back in the garage and letting it sit, or back out in the driveway and letting it sit wherever you guys are going to put it. But I just thought that was pretty cool, and I will share that with you. SLiPLO, thank you so much for the product. Thank you for the customer service. I really appreciated that. And I'm definitely going to rep this product on my 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Widebody Scatpack SRT. And thank you guys again. So let's put this on, and I'll tell you guys how this installation went after I get it on. Alright guys, so we have officially finished our installation of SLiPLO. It took all of 30 minutes to do, literally, and I did my front end, and this is how my front end looks. You really can't tell it's on there, but it looks like it's part of the front end. Just take a look. So literally all you see is this piece here that's out, but you really can't tell that that's anything till you get up under it. And then here, same exact thing, it's right there, but this is how the finished part looks. So my front end is protected, no more scraping. Even has some extra, so I started to double layer it, but this is perfect. Because I back in at an angle, so I was worried about my corners, not necessarily my front lip. So I was able to get that installed. And the reindeer now is no longer the beast, it's the reindeer. It is officially complete. Guys, again, thanks SLiPLO for that. Send me everything I needed in your box. You'll get your SLiPLO rubber pieces, and you'll get your adhesive. One of mine was dry, but honestly one of them is enough to make it work, so I'm not even too mad about it. But I am very, very satisfied with my product and no longer worried about pulling into my garage and seeing it scrape anymore. So I want to thank SLiPLO again for sending me these items. I did pay for them. This is not sponsored by SLiPLO. I'm just letting you guys know I'm reviewing it for you guys. The universal mounts, again, this is not a sponsored ad. I just had a really good experience with their customer service, and I wanted to give them a thank you. And we are fully adhesived to the vehicle, if that's even how you say it. You cannot take your vehicle through the cars for 72 hours once you do this. Please protect your vehicle. You know, for me, I paid 50 grand for this, so protect your vehicle. It's worth whatever protection you can give it. And if anybody found this helpful, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Please subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate any comments. Guys, let me know how your universal fit went for your SLiPLO product. Let me know if I did something wrong in your eyes, and regardless, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later for my next video. Peace.